We are living in the 21st century where things and technology are changing every day. If somebody had slept in 2000 and wake up in 2021 expecting the same type of change that he or she saw in the decades of 1980 to 2000, then it would be a foolish thing because things have changed drastically over the past few years. In early 2000s, most of the Indian households had a wireful telephone, but nowadays it is replaced by smartphones, which are of advanced technology, and not only just one smartphones. It is equivalent to the number of members in a family. You may see things changing in each and every field, each and every industry. But the good thing about the advancement and development of technology is that it eases our life, means it makes our life easier. But the bad thing is that it doesn't change you. We are becoming lazy and over dependent on things that doesn't matter. Earlier, at times when there were no emails or no chatting platforms, people used to communicate via words through just postal services. People used to think the most important things to write in the letters. But nowadays, with the introducement of chatting platforms all over the world, example Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, and there are many registered on the Play Store, people just think the minute of details about the person they are talking with. They want to know how she is doing in her career, what are her future plans, and just want to squeeze her whole life. People are just expecting everything to be out from a person. The other side of this thing is positive because technology has given many jobs which are skillful, means if you have skills and no degree or diploma, then you can join the job, which is a very good thing. For example, YouTube doesn't restrict any YouTubers to be over 18 or over 22 or a degree of YouTube masterclass. But if you have the content, you can just share it. It doesn't matter whether you are a 5-year-old kid or a retired 80-year-old man. And technology in all has connected us with the expert of our field. We can just talk and chat with some of the very fine persons of our field and get introduced with the education that they can provide. Future tech includes some of the most amazing products such as driverless cars, artificial intelligence, etc., which might become a reality in the coming few years. I am saying might because you can't just predict the future. Nobody had predicted what would have been happening in the year 2020, and you couldn't just predict what will be happening in 2030. You might become a millionaire, a multi-millionaire, but there are chances that you might be thrown out of your house because all these are predictions. Change is the only constant thing that will be happening in all the years coming in the future. Things will change, new technologies will come, but we should not be forgetting that our brains have made the technologies, and if we make the best use of it, then we can change them too. Thank you.